Guys, this bird just like hit my window twice, and I am fascinated. I can't. It's not like flying away, so it's like because I'm pretty close to it, and I think it hurt itself or its leg is broken or something. So I don't really know what to do. But I've never seen this bird before. I'm gonna try to help it. I don't know how. I can't really touch it because that's dumb as hell. But it's just like I've never seen this type of bird before. Don't pull a 360. You ain't no owl. Oh, there you go. And I'll never see him again. Wow, this sucker really just disappeared. Straight up. It's gone now. I should record more videos outside. You know? I would, if it weren't for the fact that, you know, I will, though. You know, never mind. But anyways, bye. Goodness Christ, man. Crazy.